So this is the beginning. These are some codes I have put, and we'll start from the beginning and let it run through by itself, and then I'll obviously be operating the 1, 2, 3, 4, and all these commands. But let's just let it run right now. It's my title screen. It's my second one. So tell him to say hello. My name is Anish. 3 is I like to play basketball and chess, and 4 is my favorite subjects are math and science. Okay, these are all my codes over here. When I said one key press, say hello for 2 seconds. 1, 2 keys press, say my name is Anish, like that, and so forth. Now this is my sprite 2. It's my basketball. So what I did, I said 1 flag click, wait 2 seconds. Oh wait, no, sorry. It says when flag click hide and then wait 2 seconds and then I click show. So forever it says go to mouse pointer. So the basketball follows the mouse pointer everywhere. And now from sprite 2 to sprite 3, there should be a music connection into it. So wait, okay, it says when flag click forever if touching sprite 3, then play sound drum funky sound. Where you can find that. Actually, if you expand this even more, you can see the sounds and all the ones there are. Now let's move it back. And also, when you get into sprite 3, it says when flag click to hide, wait 2 seconds, show forever. If key up arrow pressed, then change Y by 10. So I moved it up. So basically, this sprite 3 can be, I'm basically controlling it. The left, so I'm moving up, so that's going up, and now right, so that's right, bottom, bottom, left, left. So I have control of where sprite 3 is. And then when 7 key press, set 1000 to 0, repeat until 1000 equals 1001, say 1000. And so this is basically saying it'll automatically on my command when I click 7, it'll go from 0 to 1000, and it'll count down back from 1000 to 0. So let's see it. Now it's counting down, as you can see on the apple, where it's going. And now we'll get into sprite 4 as this is happening. Sprite 4 is the bear, where if I click the space bar on this color, so I wrote on this key over here, when space key pressed, if touching color, then hide, and then show if I put these coordinates. So I'm going to click space right now, and the bear's gone. So basically, I can keep spamming the spacebar button, and the bear will go off and on. And this is also the sound code. It says when flag click forever, play sound drum until done. This is my sound code, which should be going. And then when flag click set size to 45%, I had to do that to change the size of the bear because it was too big. And then sprite 5 is basically a gliding. So when flag click hide, wait 2 seconds, show, and then go to these coordinates, forever glide. So basically this guitar, I programmed it to make it always glide around the area. And I forgot, this is my sprite 1, where it's of my 1, 2, 3, and 4, where 1 is hello, 2 is my name is Anish, as you can see on the coding. When 3 key press, say I like to play basketball and chess. And then when 4 key press, say my favorite subjects are math and science. There you go, that's it. And when I receive show all, show repeat, change color effect by 25, clear graphic effects. I'll show that again, but that will be in the run. And then now into my final sprite 6. I wrote when flag click to hide, wait 2 seconds, show, go to X27, Y12. That will show again when I run through it. And it says when I receive left, switch costume to Dragon C2, and when I receive right, switch costume to Dragon C. That shows the difference between the dragons when they move. To like show to the left, it should be in this way, and the right should be on that way. And then on 1 second, I'm gonna go to my sprite 5 again, or no, it's one of these sprites where there's glide, where it shows my. Here, let's see. Yes, it says when flag click, wait 2 seconds forever. If X position is greater than 67, then broadcast right. So I'm moving my mouse point is on the right, so that's why it's broadcast. My dragon is broadcasted to the right. Now, if I move it to the left, it will turn to the left because it says if X position is less than -29, the broadcast left. And so I just figured out by putting the mouse pointer here and looking down over here where the middle is. So those are my sprites. Now let's run it in full effect. And the music is playing. There it glows, and then that's the graphic effect I said from before. And now I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I'm clicking 7. It's counting down, and now I'm clicking the space bar, and that's the bear. And you can see the dragon moving on different sides. And every time my basketball or the mouse pointer touches the apple, it's playing the drum funky noise. So that's pretty much my project. Thank you.